most people love a gadget, and this is very true of the Victorians as well. We've had a few different gadgets made in the Victorian period for various different travel purposes. This is one of them, and it's a great design, and that's exactly what a gadget is, isn't it? A great piece of surprising design that gives you a useful tool. And of course, in the days before electricity, this would have been a very useful tool. And if we move in and look at the leather pad to the back, you can see that there is a gilt-tooled lantern there. That's exactly what it is. It's a small little pocket lantern. And it folds down into this very small case. So if we look on the side here, we can see there's two compartment buttons, and you press down the middle. We'll open up the back first of all, and that is where the candle is, and we can see that there's a little compartment to put our vestas in, our matches, and there's a striking pad there as well. Now, that candle in the upright position is going to fold out as we open the front side. So we open the door like that, and we've got these two mica windows which come forward, and then the base plate with a lantern drops down to hold it into place. On the back, we've got a little carrying handle, so that just swings out like that, and you can carry your lit lantern in the dark to get yourself home safely. So let's just close it up and show you again how it works. So to the underside here, you can see there's the pad, the baseboard, which locks it into place. And here you have got a little swing bar that the candle moves on. And as the candle swing bar moves back, then the back plate will also fold up, and then the two front windows can fold and you can close it. Let's just do that from another view, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better. So the swing bar with the candle closes back into position, the back plate goes up, and there you go. It's all closed. Now, we've only had 2 or 3 of these before. They're really not that easy to find. And the first one we had was marked for Rodriguez Piccadilly, 42 Piccadilly. And Rodriguez, as you could probably tell from their Piccadilly address, were high-end stationery retailers. They would sell everything from writing boxes to little travel inkwells to all sorts, including gadgets. We've had another one as well, which wasn't marked, and again this one wasn't marked. So probably Rodriguez brought them in and retailed them. And originally this would have been silver plated on brass. We can see that the exterior has got a very brass colour. If we look to the back again, where the vesta compartment is, you can see that's silver plated to the interior. And of course, that silver plating on the interior of the front cover board as well, it's going to be very reflective. It's going to maximize your candle power. So this lantern is going to be very late 19th century, could be either side of 1900 in date, and it's just a wonderful, useful little gadget that you can slip into your pocket, take with you on a night out to help you find your way home safely at the end of the evening. So it's made of brass, mica, with leather pads to the front and the back. It's got a swing handle, and it's a silver plated brass, although a lot of the silver plating to the exterior has worn off the brass through use, around about 1900 in date.